Hi, my name is Lindsay, and I had breast replacement surgery done with Dr. Albright. So a couple months ago, my breasts were starting to hurt a little bit, and I started to get concerned that I needed to have them replaced. I've had breast implants for probably about 12 years, and they don't last forever. I really wanted a surgeon that I could trust and was really experienced in replacement surgery, not just the first time. So I did a bunch of research and I came across Dr. Albright's name. My experience with Dr. Albright has been phenomenal. He's probably the best surgeon I've ever had an experience with. Everybody has made me feel super comfortable, even all the way down to the staff he works with. Everybody's super knowledgeable, made me feel very welcome and comfortable. I can happily report that now that I have had the replacement surgery done, they no longer hurt and I don't have an issue with that anymore. Plus they look nicer, so that's always nice. I highly recommend for like any future needs that I might personally even have, I would definitely come back to Dr. Albright. He's just super knowledgeable. I've never met a surgeon like more caring and with his experience, so I just highly recommend him.